The ARMANI trial showed the benefit of switching first-line treatment strategy from oxaliplatin-based chemotherapy to paclitaxel plus ramucirumab in patients with HER2 negative gastroesophageal adenocarcinoma. Using the molecular profile, we can try to select more carefully the patients to choose the one that truly have a benefit from this strategy, as we showed that in patients with TP53 wild-type tumors, the benefit of switching to maintenance to paclitaxel plus ramucirumab is higher compared to patients that have TP53 altered tumor. This can be useful in trying to maximize the benefit of first-line treatment using a regimen which can be more toxic but can also bring higher benefit to the patients.